The word forum is a place, meeting, or medium where ideas and views on a particular issue can be exchanged is of Latin origin, which literally meant what is out of doors. The same word forum, to refer to a public square or marketplace used for judicial and other business, is of Middle English origin. A forum is a venue where people gather to discuss issues, especially public ones. With remote learning as the current norm or part of the new normal, and as we continue to fight the war against COVID-19, we may have seen ourselves taking part of the virtual version of these forums or fora. These forums are sometimes referred to as small group techniques. A lecture is used in formal situations. Most traditional teachers rely on this discussion setup. It permits complete and detailed discussion without interruption. The speaker or lecturer has the full control of the audience. This makes measuring the effectiveness of a lecture difficult. A lecture is an abstract group interaction which demands very competent speakers and attentive listeners. Lecturers should be informed of the topic to help them prepare really well. To make the lecture more accessible, the audience should also be informed about what to expect. A dialogue is a discussion carried on in front of a group by two knowledgeable persons capable of thoughtful communicative discourse on specific subjects. Teachers refer to this presentation format as team teaching. This type can be informal and conversational. It allows mutual support and sharing of responsibilities between speakers. It allows clarification and validation as the discussion develops and permits expression of two viewpoints. Both speakers should be familiar with a given topic. They should stand in front of the audience at equal footing. They should use a well-balanced approach and sustain an equally strong rapport with the audience. A symposium is a group of talks, speeches, or lectures presented by several individuals on various phases of a single subject problem. A moderator often controls time and subject or topic discussed. Usually, a talk during a symposium does not exceed 20 minutes. This is a formal method and pretty straightforward to organize. Complex subject matters can be divided into logical components. Duplication of ideas shared should be minimized and time allotments should be followed and enforced to support a logical presentation. With careful planning, both moderator and speaker or speakers should be able to help each other run a meaningful symposium. A debate is a series of lectures for and against a given topic. Normally, there is a team to take the affirmative side and another team to fight for the negative side of the given issue. The number of speakers on both sides should be equal. Each team will have a leader supported by team members. A chair or a moderator presides over the discussion. The audience witnessing a debate are always encouraged to think seriously and analyze both sides of the proceedings. The chair or the moderator should be fair at all times. The participants should focus on rebutting ideas, not their fellow speakers. A debate is useful under certain circumstances as long as the moderator, the speakers, and the audience do not become over-enthusiastic and get carried away by emotions. A panel discussion is a form of a committee discussion overheard by the audience, who is usually the presenters. The overall form is conversational. Every panel member is expected to expose or focus on different points of view, facts, attitudes, sections, and/or elements of the subject, output, dissertation, thesis, or proposal. The chairman facilitates the evaluation or discussion process. Panel members should have read materials presented beforehand. Comments, questions, and suggestions they share should be clear and supportive to help the audience or the presenters polish their output. Online forums, on the other hand, refer to our presentation and discussion space. These forums or discussion sessions are now organized, facilitated, and shared through different virtual conferencing platforms. We have webinars that take a lecture or solo presentation format, discussion panel approach, symposium flow, or a gigantic conference. Imagine 10 simultaneous sessions with hundreds of participants. Where can we find a physical venue that has 10 huge rooms where each room can accommodate more than 100 people? Perhaps such a place exists, but will they offer their space for free? These online forums can also be intimate. These include our conversation threads, may it be for school, a dialogue with our loved ones and friends, or as an ongoing sharing of secrets in gaming discussion boards. In these forums, we need to be effective speakers and listeners. We have shared video lessons on effective delivery. Those qualities also apply in these forums, especially when we stand as content creators or contributors. Thus, as listeners, we can be more effective through the 3 A's. Expect and project a positive attitude to gain positive experience. We always discover something new when we pay attention. We learn more and grow better when we adapt or adjust. Next time we hear or read the word forum, we now know how it expects effective application of communication skills. The word forum is sharing an invitation. Let's talk.
Learning should be fun. Stay all time. Subscribe to my channel to stay safe. See you with you.